Good day, mga ka-Anis Tour! Today, I'm gonna show you how am I going to make my special papaitan with a little twist. So like everybody else made the papaitan with a pait, I don't put that. So samahan niyo ako guys. I hope you're gonna enjoy watching this video. And don't forget to give me thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to ring that notification bell if we are not connected yet. Okay guys, so tara na! Samahan niyo ako sa aking pagluluto with a little twist. Okay? So, tara na! Okay. Ang pagluluto ay hindi biro. Ang pagluluto ay hindi biro. Hindi lang paglalaba ang hindi biro. Pati ang pagluluto. Kaya abangan nyo ang aking niluluto. Ayan, cutting ginger. We need to have a lot of ginger talaga sa ating ilalagay na sa ating iluluto na papaitan. Sabi nga nila, ang pagluluto ay hindi biro. Paulit-ulit. You know what I love to do? Cooking. Cooking. I love cooking, guys. So that's one of my favorite things to do. Cutting. This is the one. Wait lang. Ito yun siya. Charan, charan. Libro. And now, cutting them. Ang galing! It looks so... Para siyang curtain. Okay. Cutting. Guys, these are the favorite part. Sarap-sarap nito. Ito pa oh. Tcharam! Ang laki. Tapos ito pa. Sabi nila libro-libro daw. It looks so big. Yan. Tapos ito pa guys yung iba. Corazon, corazon, di melon. Ayan, corazon daw yan. Oops, what happened? So guys, I'm gonna start making them. Everything is ready. This is the ginger, red onions, garlic. This is the libro daw. I don't know what they call that. And this one is kayos. Yung part of, I don't know. Basta, kayo na bahala mag-decide dyan kung ano tawag nyo. This one is the liver, corazon or the heart. And the meat. The beef meat. And some bones to make it so yummy. So let's go. Let's start. Dito na tayo. I'm gonna start stir frying everything. Okay? So, follow me guys. Frying na! Ayan guys. Making it. Hala! Malapit na to. Nako. Bahala kayo mag-judge. Ayan guys. Stir frying na. Medyo maingay kasi nasa kusina. Pero, come on! Let's stir fry! How is it guys? Did you guys enjoy watching it? We had the best papaitan in town made by me. Today we had it for lunch, and since the weather is cold, it's so yummy to have some soup because papaitan has soup. It's like a beef broth, and you know, it's so yummy and tasty talaga. And of course, with matching a lot of chili. Oof! Everybody said, they said, mapapaiyak naman kami dito sa anghang ate. Pero guys, really, it's so yummy. It turns out really yummy as always because I made this before a few times already, and instead of the pait, we use lemon. We squeeze a little bit of lemon, so it turns out really good. So guys, after you enjoy watching this, please, before you leave, if we are not connected, please do connect. And don't forget to ring the notification bell for the next video that I'm going to show so that you won't miss it. So, thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you on my future videos. Bye!